enti Ghana for no when you down the lane o mo betire wadwuna fa how mo si hu Mahama membu no ene niam a ekos on grounds na e so interesting o mo abekasa Ghana for no nkasa abetire o mo adwuna me ma won kire bu no akire wadwuna ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say ni di mo obe like if video no that ma put subscribe button somebody click notification icon latest update na betire wadwuna da ma me e wo comment section so baso no say for onya bia hwe so we Ghana hanomo a ye were two separate economy. Oh, mechire matro. Ghana ye were economy mienu. Baku eye social media economy. Just the economy ya benye different country friend the Ghana and no social media any on the internet. Now that Ghana no ni economy ni ye bibia da fenchem bibia yopo ho elabe hu ni ze kanipo ye 2 cedis. NDC for DGB, NDC for DGB. A social media market. Alavenya cement 30 cedis. Oh, on social media economy. And the citizens no more honomono. Omu feel is a Ghana no things are cool, things are good. But yes, I was the economy on grounds, economy in reality. Now that economy in reality, no, we say ade asesa, dollar is what ye Ghana for dollar what petrol is what inflation is what but those in the economy in reality, no, they don't feel the impact. Dollar about from inflation about from fuel about from. But those who are in the economy of reality, no, they don't feel they don't feel the impact. They don't feel it. But those in the economy of social media, and feel it. So when you just Ghana BBI, I don't say social media. So be anti honomo. You be no what see on social media or to on ebo better to adi or honomo. They are the economy in reality, no, the economy on ground. Anything that you feel it. Now, uhemu ano kwa when you down the lane. Say we got on ano fuel swate Mahama ya de dollar swate wa ya de ko nya ye woni pin but wa ya de dan ka ku first bet our dollar ni pin ama swate ba wa woni pin eti Mahama but o woni pin ya de nani nyama no wa ya de inflation swate wa ya de but we say anyone me say we na swate anyone me say we and they determine how the economy should be because the economy o dollar swate amount inflation rate apart from ufu swate there say can be bia bo perform deliberately. I was saying could be peer perform or my name ye form. But said the Matanya Sana you know. Omo more the economy in social media and omo and enjoy. But yana what the economy on ground today, we don't feel the impact. I'm so there's a certain blogger, I have friend Medina TVGH, or TikTok, and I think or YouTube channel, it's yamun searching a moon penny in follow me or boy madene. Medina TVGH, the camera nana mukromo. Eko tiete Ghana for ni bia no disem. How musi hu Mahama memo JM. How musi hu na memo 1 year down the lane. Omo hu niam say Ghana no course say is it on track? Another car no o panadi konya accident. Omo hu o shenkani ni say car no twidi ye. Allah say dem bodi buchi. Ghana for no abetiro madwe na we ni sem a omo eka.
Okay, ha aye Madina media mo me Pacho Frozen.
Pacho Efrem anti enyonam.
Okay, anti enyonam dollar na ba form fuel no susu no aba form say drivers omudi egg no eba Accra mamo na say ba market mamo omutiti prices no
actually prices need your month so the tia net the tia
ba say petrol no yate so dollar no so
yate so dollar no so yate so ba transport need the yente so ye say fruka actually me meet Medina dodowa anytime be amefaka adufie anwumre no me faka 3 times ansa na medufie
3 times
me fredo yibi ansa na masa fre yibi akododowa ebi o ha me fro akwa amahia 10 cedi na masa fre amahia akọ yibi 5 cedi na masa fre yibi to dodowa 5 cedi
yi ni ho director na
dodowa ko director do na adwuje wonya kanti cars ne ye ne short no mbe ya ansa na bata no pa ne de omutime ma direct ubaba direct ba transport no 9 cedi anopa ba nwumra ansa na obedu fie dodo wa no obetu ebi wa 20 cedis ebi wa 15 cedis
times 2
ansa na wedu fie ye breast one ansa na ya anya de ye nyaka
aban no nye bibi
anti o sa aban no ye bibi ye de emfa ho man because edre nwumra de ye ma no ye bre ye na ekofie fiti hakododo wa actually de ye bre papa ye bram kasa bia wunya ka obenyanka obefa no short ansa na wedu fie ma no pa ne de eba alright omuje ye 9 cedi but enwumra obedu fie no now number 2025 ansa na wedu fie.
Okay and why you say agrada akọ court of appeal say 15 years now Ghana ya jeli no omu hwesoma no uri unsa
ya ampa abanu mbo mo na ohun ne mobo na wontimi nye bibi kakra nye de emfa homa no
mikrofon na wa boapo ati omo nso adwemfi oni timtim ma ne mba bio
ya mi se de wasakra enti ebi obaba ka onye se bio
si ahombrase ono ye se
ahombrase obebre ne ho ase afi de oba obebre ne ho ase onye sa de ne bi
se ba no nya bi
mo bo me bibi mfa homa no
no nyina ye nipa
ye nipa saban hwe no onye bibi mfa homa no
medase
mi so medase.
Okay, hi, Madina Pacho Frost.
Mede Elizabeth Kuma.
Ma Elizabeth market cost.
Yewo. Adoma kwa.
Adoma. Dollar ba from bibia inflation bibia ye okay. Wo feel effect no?
Aba from ne de ban. Sika na ese eni kurumbisa.
Wo GD se be.
Oh, nyame o. Bia be fine.
Okay. And Ryan will say agrada eba court of appeal say 15 years no mama no omu yiso ma no what do you say
na ya asem no tama na odi bonde no ni mi say na ho be chire na na abla
pacho so wenu
say yes boni akatua na ye owu na tama na aso na ya che no afi na ho pacho tama na odi obi bonde no ni mi say na ho be chire no sa say mo twu na aso kakra
15 ka ho man
hwe a ode mo twu na aso kakra bi omo fa nche no cause o ye nipa let me see
medasi so my kwanse no bekasa
okay bye bye
okay aha Madina media mommy Pacho Frost
de Georgina
ma Georgina market cost
market de sisi enkoyi tabi market nyede
say abaina ye bibia everything possible say system no ebe favor obia
but one say nipa na de no nya obeto but scanning ni system ni mu nti ama market na nyede aye slow wa uchu wa nkasa wo hu say enkoyi sa
okay NDC for power 1 year ni so yes rate you from 1 to 10 obama mo number be
ewo musa say atete nyama so de but ayala because ye hwe angwa ne emone ade a prices ne ya ba from kakra fine but scanning system ni muntinu omo maska inflow na yen so ayeto no munye bi beto maye
obama mo 5 2 3 0 and I say 10 over 10
oh 10 over 10 dey anya possible e bia be 6 over
10 medasa ma kwanse no bakasa
medas
wamba anka yenim sa de pa bi e wo ho se yesi bia dollar na duru dollar na kampo no pacha wo se nyamia mbe mu a de besi no enye yizi nti MPP de entungu udi hu se
Ghana for no ho ya chese mponche ya dwi nya dwuma
abotre
da be enya sa abotre o seven prejudice NDC ba ye no a dollar ba form petrol ya cheso me ba tie mi yie wo ba market ba wo ba ye tete ya ton ade no me lolo fe ya cheso ama me ana ya to ade sika na ya wa he sika na ye de to ade dollar ba form eniema ba form ade to ni ho sika na e wa he fa da be NDC for no ena ekeka sa enye Ghana for me wo be gina bisa asem we ya I met bomb just on for police for bomba bechimi. Dollar na akọ for me ehun sunsanso enka me. Seven prejudice my bed my baba shedwe fa no pa. Hwe time abosen. Man try dey 1 cedi. Wo hwe market man say na hatiye. Na be ka chem say dollar ba from ne Ghana ha me di dollar. Ye di cedis dollar ba for my ampa. Na ye ntwa de na nti we. Dollar was 17 cedi me ba kru ma me timi nya ba 300 cedis na me de kofie me tete kura aboa na me ma ba dwuma 10 cedis kura mantima twan de 10 cedis na wo gina ba bi radio so be ka kire me te dollar ba fom a na se be na person ka kire me da bi fuel na o ma so no lolo fe o ma so
ebia
lolo fe ebia da ben
ebia enchon ma
ye tumu a en ka be di 3 days no ma so o ma tumu ana ya te fuel so be bro be say a week ni ye lolo fe ye twia no an ye twia so ati ase dokoro no sani
wo say wo dabi
fa so bia ma me
wo say me ba openi aban no ati dollar no so wati petrol so but ye ankasa ti mamfo no ye undwin say we emfa aban ho
dabi emfa aban ho zen say ye tufu emu a na driver fo ne beto lolo fem aya na ban frewom eno mo ntena ase eno mo nkama ne nkase wo dabi babia mo de kwedi anu ode ntimo fa mra fo mo kakra mayen enti den nchi na emfa ban ho ye what if we so I can't say eni ma bo aba fom ba what to land beam what to water beam o ti me nya adanko da adwe age se o mo ma dwen wo fom eno dia hey ba ye ni da ho ya dwen adwuma ye ni duo ma chini dia ye hu se be pa babia land be adu be babia water be adu enti o tinti so se be lolo fe me say omonte lolo fe so ma me a me fotrotro me nya ho faso a patro na aba fom ne ho ma faso ma me sabe aba fom omo ko for bro beans e de ba no konko no omo she de 20 Ghana no omo nka se atifu e so tie te so de se de ye bu aba fom 20 no na omo she de me e faso be ne me nya free sa de na ma na aba fom ne so me bi sa enti sa
mo ga nyina wo
dabi so oba no be me interview sa sem da ya fa nto chen ko nya bi sa me anu me bu afu because me nya faso bia mfiri so me sabe prejudice ye won kra ha ede obi bo ha obetima to mo 1 bag 2 bag ya ko si di fie no one na yire ne madi ye won kra ase ne ye kwa ye hye 1 cup na ye 10 cedi no ahum 2 gimini ye 9 cedi no ahum ye nti so ye won kra ha ye ntimi nto bag e fa nkosi edam no ba bia ye no am no ko ha omti free 10 cedi fish
ka bibi tira ban no hwa ban nenim ne ka bibi tira no
kakra metima ka tira ban ne say dollar na aba from no eye fuel de ho fans won't me nye because ye no fuel no Ghana ha e dwama so na aba from seven prejudice so what fuel so ne niam aba from ahwe e ma driver fo no entity lolo fair no so nye den e ma yen timamufo no ye nya so mfaso seven prejudice nya so wo beti fuel so na a driver fo nko enjoy omo kita ka nko enjoy ni ye ni car ni bi ye mfa fuel de ni nya so mfaso dia ene ne adanko da adwe na wo ye onhwe na driver for nye dem enti lolo fe ni so na yen ye nya so mfa so next time oba no bebi sa asem no a na ma tuche na me di ama no out to now aba bia lolo fe gina ba bia gina sani e temo sa ene wo banku 5 cedi abubefu no be sa how dollar na aba for no so mfa so ni sen when edu ti se ombeti esi kuro na so me Ghana for be kasa no ma tete o mo nsa so ama ne ma ba fo mama ye ne esi eti ma enjoy me so me das bebre.
So the main difference between NPP governance and NDC governance is that one. So we are analyzing from President Kufuor 1992 of NPP till 2024, and we will assess 1992 of NDC to 2025 of NDC using precedents for. So one, the President Kufuor, and the NHIS by, or the NHIS by also. On the day if you compose universal basic education, so you're there, you buy those of ESA, you were around 2,000 they count. They free maternal care. The free maternal care, no first on who cry, you enjoy she. In the free honor, Ronaldo Danko Ekufado, so 2016 of MPP. This is the free SHS buy. Now, free SHS it's me Buama amount for Momuko school ni the can say that and the Obia Eko school ni bi. First, not doing any small time, not Obi to me go school ni the account. That's one. At Ameo's time, I think may so rest in peace. This will intimate anything effective, yes, sir. I did say at Ameo say now Oche Bible. Any bia or any account. President Mama did not doom so because that's what we know him for. Doom so those kind of things. The highest we are ultimately interchange and UGMC and no MPP ne start here na obeto aso ne die ka won. So if you clearly tell you say the kind of initiative any MPP ne ba country mu are not to the extent say MPP feel so crana to me initiative no to me erane because NHI is one, phase is one. Feel so cry initiative to me one, but there's nothing substantive about NDC or my ya say omuni wo cry it to me running. That be no social intervention programs, nothing.
Ubeta chile wajune ama me. Ewa conversation. How you Penyah Block Media.